The car vacuum has strong suction power, adopts 120 watts high-power strong motor. The strength motor provides 9,000 PA high power. Keep your car clean with this hand vacuum. Can clean anywhere, such as car seat aperture, car dashboard, air vent, the sofa, the gap in the home, the blind angle. The TEMOLA mini vacuum is designed for easy cleaning and storage. It's roughly the weight of a glass of water. Cord-free, equipped with a drawstring bag, storage is made simple. You can easily use this handheld vacuum in your car, office, stairs, kitchen, or any hard-to-reach corners. His car vacuum cordless is equipped with HEPA filter, which is washable and reusable, achieving deeply filter. Regular cleaning of the filter can help to maintain the suction effect and extend the lifetime.